Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying my Hot Wheels series. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to be getting out on location with my treadmill and doing some racing. So make sure you tune back in to see that. Now, we've got another 6 cars to open today, which means we get a bigger, better races. So, let's have a look. Now, I will be opening another special one today, but we're going to leave that till last. First, I recently found these. It's a pack, and this is the HW Race Team, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't really have any race cars yet, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 5 Hot Wheels here in a pack, one pack. And I'm like, wow, that was pretty cool. So, how do I get into this thing? There's a tear dotted line there. Oh no, I'm just going to tear the bottom off it, I think. Like that. Look at that. Probably not the best way to get into it, but we're getting 5 cars here all at once if they come out. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Now they're all blue. I did the blue series race. If you haven't seen it, check that one out. But these are all race cars. So it'll be interesting to see if these will race better than the other ones. So we've got a, let's have a look. What is this? A 87 Camaro. It's fairly small, but fairly streamlined. We have a F-150 SVT Lightning. So it's a ute, low rider ute. Could be fast, I don't know. We'll have a look and see. Then we have, and this one's got a big wing on the back. It looks a bit like a perch for the chooks to roost on. Plymouth Superbird with the bird perch on the back. We're calling this one bird perch in the race. Or chook perch, something. I don't know. So yeah, will be interesting to see that one race. Then we have here, this is a speedway car. It has no branding on it. But yeah, it's like a speedway type car with a big wing on the top. So I don't know if that's going to affect how things are going to roll. Then last of all here, we have, this looks like some sort of a concept car. Again, it has no name, so we'll have to make up a name. Yellow pointer, I don't know, it's got yellow points at the top. But yeah, so there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, should we open 6 or should we open 7? I think we might go 7 because I do actually have 7. Now, this one came. This is my special one. And, ooh, what's coming out of the box? It's another 80 Series Land Cruiser. Hot Wheels made 2 80 Series Land Cruisers. One of them standard and one of them is called a mud stud. And I got the other one and was pretty excited because it's very similar to mine. But this one, this is the full off-road sort of racing-y type one. Looks really cool. And yeah, so let's get into it. I'm a bit excited. I can't wait to get this one out and racing on the treadmill. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It is beautiful. Got all the sponsors' brandings on it. Windows are actually open on it. Look at that car. Wow. I've got 2 80s. I've upped the chances of an 80 series winning a race, which would absolutely pleasure me no end. Now, I said we were going to do one more, and it's not actually a 4-wheel drive, and it's probably nothing special. I can't actually really pronounce it. I will try. La Cinta Delta Integrale. Don't know if I said that right. Baja Blazers series. So, little white car. Let's get into it. Oh, I nearly cut the car then. Don't want to do that. Want to be safe and careful when doing this. Out it comes. from its little packet. There we have it. Little hatch with a big sharp wing on the back. Not super aerodynamic if you ask me. But there you have it. 6 cars. Look out for the next race. We'll be racing, 7 cars. We'll be racing these 7 cars with everything else that I have. Plus I picked up some second-hand ones. So they'll be going into the race as well. It'll be a big race. Make sure you check it out. Hit that like, share and subscribe. See you around on YouTube, guys. Have fun.